When you want to do integration of algebra of polynomials, okay, so first, it is actually just the opposite of differentiation. Remember, when we differentiate kx, it becomes k, right? So that's why when we integrate, this is the symbol for integration. When we integrate k, it becomes kx. Now, when you do integration, you must always have the plus c behind. Why is that so? Because you see, if I differentiate 2x is equals to 2. If I differentiate 2x plus 1, it is also equals to 2, you see. So that's why when I integrate anything, there must always be a plus c behind, where c is a arbitrary constant. Okay, but no need to write this, just understand it. That means it could be anything, which we don't know. Later on, you will know how to find the c. Okay, so if you integrate 5 dx, you are going to get 5x plus c. Okay, so what about power law? Remember in differentiation, we do power bring down, power decrease by 1. For integration, we add the power first. Okay, then divide by new power. That's what it means over here, x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. Okay, something that is easier to start with first. Let's say I integrate x 2x to the power of 5 dx. This is equals to integrate 2x to the power of 6. Increase the power first. Divide by the new power. Sorry, not integrate. Okay, I integrate already. So 2x to the power of 6 over the new power plus c. Must always make it nice. X to the power of 6 over 3. Okay, plus c. So if you have a more complicated one, before you integrate this, we always have to make it linear by bringing up the power to become negative half. So when I integrate this, I add the power by 1, negative half plus 1, I get half. Immediately divide by half. So when you divide by half like that, what I want to tell you is that the denominator like this will go all the way up. That's why it becomes 2 over here. Okay, so integration of polynomials is very simple. Add the power first, divide by the new power. And as well as there's no product rule, no quotient rule in integration. So when you see something like this, you just got to split this up into 5x squared over x squared. What I'm doing is to do this. Okay, plus 3x cubed over x squared plus 1 over x squared dx. Make it nice. 5x squared over x squared is just 5. Plus, this is 3x. Plus, this is x to the power of negative 2 dx. Okay, so what's the rule of integration? You integrate a constant, it will just become 5x. You integrate 3x, it will become 3x squared over 2. You integrate x to the power of negative 2, okay, it will become x to the power of negative 1, because you add the power by 1 over negative 1. Then have a plus c behind. Okay? So that is how we do integration. And then all you need to do is to make it nice. 5x plus 3 over 2 x squared minus 1 over x plus c. Because this is a negative power, it goes to the denominator. Next, if you see a product, you need to expand first. Expand, expand. So this is integrate 6. Square root x is x power half. Plus 2 square root x times square root x is x dx. So now you integrate this, you are going to increase the power by 1. So this is 3 over 2. Divide by 3 over 2 this way. Plus 2x squared over 2. Then plus c. So all you need to do is to make it nice. Of course, you can use your calculator and see what is 6 divided by this. Or you can do what you do, bring the 2 all the way up. That will be 12 over 3. That will become 4. X to the power of 3 over 2. Plus x squared plus c. And that is how you integrate a polynomial.